Today, I will show how to buy shares of Zoom Video Communications Inc. using the ticker ZM to find the stock. You need a broker to trade. I'll use eToro as an example. And after registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID and then add funds. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker ZM to locate Zoom Video Communications Inc. and find the correct NASDAQ listing. On the stock page, you will see a brief company summary and a price chart displaying recent trading activity, so double-check the company name and the ZM ticker. Click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details carefully, and confirm to submit the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio with updates and ongoing balances, and you can find the eToro link in the description to visit the platform.